Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Robinhood verification code not received. Firstly, what you can do is use alternate method. On the login screen, tap I need help. Select verify using a different method to get your code via email or push notification. Secondly, what you can do is check your phone settings. Make sure you have a strong signal. And next, what you can do is turn on push notifications. You can open your phone settings. After you open your phone settings, tap on apps and tap on app management and start typing the app name and tap on the Robinhood app and turn on app notifications so you can approve logins. And next you can do clear your app cache. You can clear your app cache by go to your phone settings, tap on apps, tap on app management and select Robinhood, then tap clear cache to remove all data that might cause box, and lastly restart the app. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.